Folks, welcome to the ABC of Flooring. Nathi Smith from Atlas Roofing. I'm busy with a 10-point checklist on flooring, and it's really a wide topic because from carpets to wooden floors to LVTs down to epoxy flooring, it's a huge range and quite a difficult subject matter actually. I am referring you to our 5-part session. Today is the last part where I'll be touching just on glue transfer, meaning once I've applied my glue or adhesive and I now bring my carpet or tile, what sticks to the bottom of the tile when I lift it up. That is part of the process which the installer should do regularly, room for room, job for job, to make sure that we're getting the correct spread rate. Now, oftentimes, because we've been doing it for so long, we don't really care. We just carry on and apply it. But there could be a problem with that. So I'm just referring us back to that little nugget. Temperatures and rollers. When we look at the epoxy flooring industry, this old booklet from ABE, the epoxy flooring is a huge range. From water-based epoxies for your typical garage floor, right through to the end where you can do freezer rooms up to 12mm thick epoxy screeds or polyurethane screeds. And in between we've got high build coatings and self-leveling coatings, and all these products have to be applied in a certain way. The epoxy specifically rake and roller application, and even if we think of our LVTs and carpets, we need to use a correct roller, specifically a 3-tiered 68 kg roller. And if you don't have it, you don't have it. You can't simulate it with something else. You need the right tools. So a temperature, if you touch the floor and the floor is 0 degrees and you want to apply your epoxy, you need to know what's going to happen to your epoxy. You need to know that there are challenges ahead with that product to cure. Now, we need to all understand that there is a code, the South African National Standards, SANS code. Then we have suppliers with little booklets and data sheets, and we as the applier or the supplier of the system, we need to really study these things and share with each other. And I want to say to you that each floor is designed for the end use of that specific room. So don't just slap anything in there. Make sure you do the right choice. And I want to say thank you for watching the 5-part series on the flooring checklist, and I want to invite you to follow us on our channel on the ABC of waterproofing and flooring. Nathi Smith signing off. Bye-bye.